Hello guys, I'm Dr. TX Zhang. I'm so glad and excited to be your professor of this online course, Physics 101. This is my first time to teach an online course. I will try my best. The prerequisite of this course is Math 101. The textbook for this course is the book entitled The Physical Universe, which is authored by Konrad Krauskopf, the 16th edition. We will cover the physics part of this book, including the first 9 chapters. The second part of this book is for Physics 102. My office is the room 122 in the Chambers building. If you live in campus, you can meet me at my office. My office hours are usually posted on my door. For other times, you can contact me by phone at 256-372-8106 or by email at my first name my last name at aamu.edu. This course presents the physics part of the physical science, covers the fundamental concepts and principles of physical science, mainly physics, and gives an overview of space and time, matter and energy, force and motion, scalar and vector, work and energy, vibration and wave, electricity and magnetism, nucleus and atom, and so on. Upon completing this course, you will be able to define the fundamental concepts and principles of physics, be able to apply the fundamental laws of physics to solve basic problems, be able to explain the physical world, and understand the unit system and conversion. You will need to take 4 tests and do 9 homework assignments. You have 5 days to complete each test and 7 days for each assignment. Your grades will be calculated based on your tests by 70% and on your homework assignments by 30%. I will curve your grade to the scale of A, B, C, D, or F according to the total percent that you earn. The first 2 chapters about the scientific method and motion should be completed within the first 3 weeks. We will do the first test in week 4. We will take another 4 weeks to complete the following 3 chapters about energy, heat, and matter. We will do the test 2 in week 9. That's the midterm. We will complete chapter 6 and 7 about electricity, magnetism, and waves during week 10 through 12, and do test 3 in week 13. We will complete the last 2 chapters about the nucleus and atom and do the final in the last week. The final is a semi-comprehensive, 60% from last 2 chapters, and other 40% will come from chapter 5, 6, 7 after midterm. Each chapter will have an assignment. I will put each assignment, lecture PowerPoint files for each chapter, and the test documents in the Blackboard. Thank you. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or concerns on this course. See you next time. Bye.